So, what's happened here is I failed to properly winterize my pond, and specifically the bog, which is this part over here, and this tube that runs from here down and into the pump that's underneath the camera has cracked. So I have to dig it out, replace whatever's cracked from fittings, re-glue it, and hopefully that'll fix it. And the system's not cracked anywhere else. And I'm gonna try and save this fitting here, even though it's not PVC Schedule 80, which is outdoor plumbing rated Schedule 80. This is just a regular 2-inch PVC fitting, which you're not supposed to use, but it's much cheaper. And when you're doing gardening DIY projects, you often do the cheaper, easier option. This black tubing though is exterior rated, but just winterizing it by flushing it of water initially worked, but then sometime in some period over the winter, it got filled with water and froze, expanded, and cracked the pipe. So I'll be cutting the tubing here, cutting off there, using a tool to save that fitting, and going from there. And this just goes to show how multifaceted and skilled a gardener really needs to be if they're not going to pay someone else to do everything for them. So I have this interesting drill bit tool here for a 2-inch diameter PVC. This allows you to cut out the old pipe and insert my new pipe into the same fitting, so I don't have to buy a new fitting or undo everything and replace the whole kit and caboodle. I can just replace the one broken pipe. To the side. Oh. I think I used a screw fitting here. I think this is a screw-on fitting for the tube. So if I cut this and try to unscrew it, I might have been saving myself in case something went wrong when I built this the first time. I was smarter back then, apparently. That's what was wrong with my pond when I went to turn it on this spring. No wonder it was leaking. Now we're gonna see if I did something stupid and glued in this threaded fitting or not. See if it comes off. Didn't even have to go to the hardware store. Had this Schedule 40 PVC fitting just sitting in my Pond Supply Costco tub. Was it supposed to use 3 to 4 wraps of Teflon? Or just letting it heat up so it's more malleable.
Okay. Keep the end so it doesn't rotate out, because I do have to turn it more.
Yeah. There. And then push it towards the fence. Hold. Will you be able to get in there? There we go. Thank you. Got this fitting. Got it all tied in. Give it a couple hours. See if it leaks. So it's a few weeks later. You can see the water has cleared up compared to how it was. The looks like the pond no longer has a leak, so I'm gonna take the soil that I dug up from around the tube that cracked and cover it back up. Seems as though this tub has turned into mud. Which means it's horrible. berries and things like that. So that's the pond, ready for spring more or less. I was still hoping to clean up the bog. I mean the bog gravel. There's lots of organic matter breaking down in the rocks here. There's Kiko. Hi, Kiko. Here's a good boy. You can see the fish. They're happier now that the water is clear and clean. The floating thing by the skimmer over there is what I put their fish food in, so it doesn't float away and into the skimmer. I'll pull that to the center, and the swirl of the waterfall and the bog creates a swirl, and the feeder floater stays in the center. And then there's another filter in the waterfall. So it's the pond fix finished. We'll see what the next garden project is. Thanks for watching.